From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise Radio News with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news briefs for Tuesday, April 20th, 2021, 420. As the Bahamas prepares to welcome back cruise ships in less than 2 months, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control is telling travelers to avoid all travel to the island destination. A statement from the CDC reads in part, because of the current situation in the Bahamas, even fully vaccinated travelers may be at risk for getting and spreading COVID-19 variants and should avoid all travel to the Bahamas. This warning comes on the heels of Royal Caribbean scheduling to sail 7-night cruises from Nassau starting in early June. And cruise industry news is reporting that the Port of Galveston is ready to cruise as early as July. The port CEO said in a statement that they have already invested $100,000 in health and safety upgrades within the cruise terminals. Since the shutdown, losses are at an estimated $1.2 billion in direct spending, 23,000 jobs, and $1.6 billion in wages statewide. Late last year, Carnival Cruise Line said they were considering the possibility of Galveston being a restart port outside of Florida. And 2 more cruise lines announced a return to Greece for this spring. Both AIDA Cruises and TUI Cruises will begin 7-night sailings in May. TUI Cruises, which falls under the Royal Caribbean Group umbrella, will sail from Crete, while AIDA Cruises, which falls under the Carnival Corporation umbrella, will sail from Corfu. Both cruise lines will follow implemented return to cruise protocols. And cruise line stocks were down slightly on Monday. Carnival Corporation down 0.5% to 26.89. Royal Caribbean 83.78 down 2%, and Norwegian down 1 at 27.97. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute cruise industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise Radio News.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.